student of elementary school in the 6th grade. I want to tell you about my best friend. I have got a best friend. Her name is Winda Wulandari. She is 12 years old. She lives in Monton. Her school in Monton's Karwan Elementary School. She is in the 6th grade. She's got medium body, black hair, and brown eyes. She is kind and helpful. She likes swimming. She likes singing too. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.